Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Evernote to n8n by sending notes through your Gmail account. This method does not require an API or developer token. Instead, we use Evernote's built-in email to note feature, which is available during the free trial and on paid plans. We'll start by getting your Evernote email address. Go to the Evernote website or app and log in to your account. Then open your settings. Under Account Summary, look for a section called Evernote Email Address. It will look something like your name .some numbers at m.evernote.com. Copy that address. This is where we'll send the note. Now go to n8n and create a new workflow. Add a manual trigger to begin the workflow. You can replace this later with a webhook or any other trigger you want. Next, add an email node. This is how we will send the email to your Evernote address using your Gmail account. Click on the email node to open its settings. In the From Email field, type your Gmail address. In the To Email field, paste your Evernote email address. This is the one you copied earlier from your Evernote settings. Now we need to set up Gmail so n8n can send email through it. Google requires something called an app password. To get that, open a new browser tab and go to myaccount.google.com/apppasswords. First, make sure you have two-step verification turned on. Then, choose Mail as the app and type n8n as the device name. Google will generate a 16-character password. Copy it. Go back to the email node in n8n. For SMTP host, enter smtp.gmail.com. For port, type 465. Enable the secure setting. In the User field, enter your Gmail address again. In the Password field, paste the app password you just copied from Google. In the body, write the content of your note. You can also insert dynamic values from earlier nodes in the workflow if you're collecting data from a form, webhook, or another app. Now, click Save, then click Execute Node to test the workflow. If everything is set up correctly, n8n will send an email from your Gmail account to your Evernote email address. Evernote will create a new note using the subject as the title and the body as the content. Open Evernote and check your notes. You should see the new one appear in a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully connected n8n to Evernote using Gmail and the Email to Note feature. This method is simple, reliable, and works without needing access to the Evernote API.